Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country or location on the CoinStats application or website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in coinstats.app and press enter. You will then be taken into the official CoinStats website where you will see the sign in button at the top right corner. If you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the sign in button and use your credentials to log into your account. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into this home page. Now from this page, in order to change your country or location, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on your username. You will now end up within the user settings page. Now from this page, if you wish to change your country, then you will need to click on the gear icon at the top right corner alongside the search box. Go ahead and click on this gear icon and now you will see three different options. Within the second and the third option, you have the options to change language and currency. And while there is no direct option to change your country or region, you can simply choose the language options and change the language as well as currency to your desired currency for the region and location that you are based in. So simply go ahead and choose your language and your currency, and this will appropriate your region to the language and currency that you selected. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on changing your country or region on CoinStats. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.